Training with XR simulations is highly immersive and intuitive. With virtual reality, your learners can become aware of the environment, build muscle memory, learn through impact, get sensitized towards hazards, avoid accidents at workplace, and respond quickly to emergencies. Use VR to enhance your training through safe training zones, minimized downtime, and experiential learning. Are you looking for realistic XR simulation with portable deployment, customized training, and real-time analytics? At CHRP-INDIA, we build virtual content as near to real as possible. Call us to know more about our XR solutions.